Namaste, everyone. Just a small introduction. Sir already said that I am a motivational or a public speaker, but that is just my passion. I'm a lawyer by profession, and I'm here to give out just a few tips on self confidence or how you can boost your self confidence. I believe that confidence is the first step which you have to take in order to communicate yourself out there, which is communication and soft skills is going to be the next big thing that everyone will require as a skill set to have. And the first step towards acing any soft skill is your self confidence. If you're not able to put forth your point with confidence, then I'm sure that the person who is listening to you will not take you either very seriously or your point may not come across that well. So, and I'm sure all of them over here are great businessmen and women who have participated in this session today, and I'm sure they'll agree to me when I say that if you do not put your point forth with confidence, or if you don't have confidence in yourself about what you're doing, then you might not be able to put forth your idea very correctly. So I'm just going to share a small PPT that I've made, and I'm just going to give you 3 tried and tested tips on how you can boost your self confidence. And the reason why I chose self confidence is my topic for today is because we are all surrounded with the whole wave of bad news, which can sometimes make the best of the best anxious, and we might lose the hope we have within ourselves, or we might lose the self confidence that we have within ourselves. So, here are just 3 tried and tested tips, and I'm sure they'll work for you. They work wonders for me, and I hope they work for you too. So here's the screen. Is the screen visible? Can we someone?
Yes,
Can we
it's
some?
visible.
Yeah, double click on the screen.
Okay, it's visible now, right?
Click on the slideshow.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
So
carry on. Carry on.
yeah, so the first and the most foremost thing you want to start by is to stop comparing your own self with anyone, be it your own friends, family, anyone. You are unique in your own way, and everyone has something special. So you have to stop comparing yourself with, be it anyone, be it your mother, father, son, daughter, best friend, husband, wife, anyone. You have to start embracing your own uniqueness. The second most important tip is to think in what you want to do. So your mind is your biggest strength. The minute you start controlling your mind into thinking that yes, I can believe, and yes, I do believe in myself and I can do the best, then there is no failing in that. You will definitely move forward, because once you can, if you can control your own mind and your own thoughts, then you can achieve anything in this world. The next, this is a very silly tip, but it works wonders, and that is affirmations. Now, affirmations are nothing but just short sentences which you want to tell yourself um, right in the beginning when you start your day and before you go to sleep. I know it might sound silly for all the professional people out here within this session, but this is something that I have made all of my friends and peers try, and it worked wonders on them. So that's why I thought of sharing this over here. Uh, you could either use the 3 affirmations that I mentioned on the screen, just saying that I am confident, I believe in myself, and I can do this. Right before you start your day, can put your mind into thinking that yes, you have conquered half of the day over there. You've conquered your mentality about doing what you've thought of doing in that particular day. And if you have a particular task set for the day which you really want to achieve, you can add it in this particular affirmation. For example, if I have an exam or if I have an important interview to ace and I really want that, so I should obviously start my day by saying that I'm going to give my best and I will crack this interview. Or if if I have to give an example for all the businessmen out here, then if you have a big deal you want to get through, then start your day by saying, I will get this deal and I will get through this deal. So that is one way of boosting your self-confidence, because again, the more you talk to yourself and the more you talk to your mind is the more you're going to grow. The last and the most important tip, which yeah, so I would just conclude by saying that this is a constant work on yourself. Self-confidence does not come overnight. You cannot achieve it overnight, or you're not born with it. Everyone has to constantly and very patiently work on themselves. And eventually, I think by just doing these 2-3 tips that I've shared today, we will definitely come to being the best version of yourself. That is something that I always say, and that is something that is my mantra. That is, believe in yourself and you will definitely become the best version of yourselves. And that's it. So that's how I conclude my topic. I just wanted to keep this short and not take a lot of time. So I hope everyone follows these tips if you are in any doubt of your own self. And believe in yourself, stay happy, and eventually you'll get there. Thank you.